happy Christmas. So hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, I'm going to try and get my garage tidied up and be a bit more organised. So for my birthday, I asked for a welder for my parents. The welder's turned up now and it's still in the box because I've got nowhere to put it. So for Christmas, I've asked for a welding trolley. Now it is still mid-November, but the trolley's turned up. I wasn't going to open it, but that concerns me a little bit. So I'm going to get it open, I'm going to pack it up, we're going to build it up and see how we get on. So this video here is kind of inspired by Kevin over at Gentleman's Motor Racing Team, and this is the tool 1.0. Wow. That is the worst. There you have it, one welding trolley. I've got chains to hold my gas bottle on. I've got these bits, I have no idea what they're for. Let's get the welder out. Perfect. So I've got my obviously welding trolley complete. I've got a few other bits as well to go with this. So I've got a CO2 gas, pub gas regulator, and also a new welding mask. So the welding mask can go into the little cubby hole. gone for a nice flame design. So I keep that stored in this little bag. Try and keep the dirt and stuff off it. And actually back into the box. Make life easier again. The box will fit on here. Splendid. So this here is my new welder. It is a MIG welder predominantly, but you can also do stick welding with it. I was recommended this by my brother-in-law and my father-in-law, and actually I've welded up all of my Brown Mini using one of these. So this is a slightly newer model, but everything predominantly is the same. So it's got all your settings, it takes gas, and as I say I'm going to be running it on pub gas, so it's going to be a CO2. I'm not going to bother with any argon. So the pub gas or the CO2 is more readily available, so that's what I'm going to go with. Well, I'm really happy with that. I think what I'll do is I'll put it like this, and I'll get some magnets along the side so this doesn't obviously move back and forth. Yeah, quality. Absolute quality. Right, so there we have it. My completed welding trolley. So that is now the first step to getting that car back there complete. I've got a few panels. I'm going to collect in a few more hopefully very soon. I've got my welder, I've got a welding trolley set up. I need to get a gas bottle, I need to get some welding wire, and I need to get a link pipe between the welder and the regulator. Once that's all done, in theory, there's no stopping me. So yeah, super happy. Thank you very much to my parents for this amazing gift for my birthday and Christmas, even if it's a little bit early. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this content, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. I will leave a link in the description down below for this welding trolley. So if you just search welding trolley or welding cart on eBay, loads of these come up. I went for the one without any drawers because I thought the drawers would be in the way. But yeah, that's it for today. Short and sweet. I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.